Okay, had a little issue there. Basically, I was trying to change the program so it didn't call source extractor by its un-PC name, but I don't know. I haven't fixed it yet. So got a repoll, which I'm right up to date, but it should be better now. Okay, and then we're going to restart up to where we are. But there's a few things that's good to see when we restart what happens. So again, my output prefix, I'm going to say V17P013. Same issue, right? I can't get the setup menu to come up. Click on some other window and back here, and now it works okay. So my RBAN coad again, B. We'll stick with number 13. And then the H alpha coad will be number 13. Okay. We'll just go ahead and do the filter ratio again. It's pretty quick. And there we go. All right. And now, remember we said the build PSF takes a while. If I do build PSF now, right, it says it's loading the existing images. So that's good. It found it. And so if you don't specify a particular directory for the PSF, it will look for it in the current directory. And if it finds it, it loads it and it doesn't try and build it again. No such luck with finding galaxies. We got to do that again. Oh, I didn't select the filter, so that's good, right? So it said make sure you select your filter because it's looking for galaxies whose H alpha emission will transmit through a particular narrowband filter. So now we can find our galaxies. Again, it will take a little while, but it's worth the wait because we get nice, appropriately sized boxes for each galaxy, although I'm sure we'll find issues, examples where it doesn't work. Okay. So here we are again. Switch over my, trying to do this with just the scroll pad. It doesn't work that well, so I'm putting my mouse on right now. Okay, so, and again, we can resize this window. It works much better on Mac. I don't know why. All right, so we decided we were going to just try and analyze this guy. So we pick the image, 2155. There we go. So now we get to see that. And then our next step is to make a mask. All right, so definitely some issues with this window. I think I was trying to make things smaller for the doing it on Linux, but obviously it doesn't work very well on both platforms. You can't get a happy medium. So if we click on that, again, do back quote, click back quote, click back quote. Okay, so we can see kind of where everything is here. And I'm a little worried. So again, we can zoom in. We gotta kind of worried. I'm not sure where this guy is. So 161, 167. 161. So I can zoom in. It might be this thing that it's trying to mask out. Now, is that part of the galaxy or not? Let's see. Do we see it? We do not see it in H alpha. I think it's right here. 161. 167. Yeah, it's something in here. So yeah, probably is this little blob. Source extractor separated it. I think that's probably fine. Yeah, sometimes it's hard to tell. Is that a background star or part of the galaxy? But so, like, what about this guy? Is that part of the galaxy or a star? We don't. It doesn't stand out in H alpha, so it probably is a star, a foreground star. So this can get a little complicated, but because this one is so close to the galaxy, I'm actually going to delete it. So I'm going to just hover over this, and there's lots of commands you can use here, but we just want to do help if you want to get a list of them, and in your terminal. So we can, it'll print out what the help is, right? So we can hover over something and do R to remove. We can add a circular mask or a box, off center. And you can just get this menu just by typing H in one of the windows. Okay, that's pretty much good for now. But so I think what I'm going to do is remove this one. So I'm going to put my mouse over there and type R, and it goes away. And now I'm going to grow everything else, and then I'm going to go and just add a little bit smaller masks on things that overlap. So to grow things, which is not, it's not in my help menu. I got to fix that. Click on here. You can click on any window, but if you type G, it grows the size of the masks. I usually do 3 or 4 clicks there. All right, so then let's go back and see if it will. And now the nice thing is that you can click in any window, to add the mask. So again, if I go here and do a question mark, you didn't understand that. Oh no, because H is the help. So I can add a circular mask at that position. So I'm not sure what the size is, but let's try A. And there we go. We got a little mask there. So that's good. Unfortunately, it doesn't show up in here too, but that's okay. All right. And then this we want to mask too, I think. Click here and do A. And again, then we see this guy show up. And let's just do G one more time to make this all a little bit bigger. And then we'll call it done. So it saves automatically. Quit does nothing. It tells you to click the Xbox. Okay. So now we have our mask.